So I wasn't even gonna make a video today about this, but I got these two jokers here with me, Talon the Rockstar and Pipes the 7-foot giant. And today we got to put my VBX 8000 into the dump truck. Like I said, I wasn't gonna make a video, but they told me I'd be letting you down if I didn't. So today, that's what we're gonna do. Let's get this VBX 8000 into the back of the dump truck. Let's go. So the first thing we gotta do here is take off the tailgate here. All we have to do is take the pins off. I've already taken them off on this side, but we pull this pin here out. This pin was in here. We're gonna pull that out. And then over here, when I pull this back right here on the tailgate, this will lift up. We're gonna unlatch this. So let's do that real quick. Pipes is gonna hold that thing back there. Well, it's supposed to be a lot easier than that. Hold on a second. Pipes, maybe you can pull this thing back. I can't pull it. Just push it back. We need some WD-40. Can't even budge this thing, man. Can't even budge it. But that lever back there opens this. And so, yeah, Pipes got the WD. Big man, little can.
So what do I gotta spray?
Just spray it right here. Well, we've hit a snag. We cannot get this part here to go up. So we've had to go in and grease all of these grease spots. There's a ton of them down here. I had no clue about this. I just don't know a lot about trucks yet, and I'm learning. That's why I got the Giant over there and the Rockstar over there. But we went around, we greased all of these points all over the dump truck and the hydros. So you can crucify me if you want to, don't matter. It is what it is. But now we're gonna try and get this thing up. So we gotta put the dump back down, and then hopefully we can get this tailgate off, because if we can, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. So I'll check in with you in a sec. And we're up. Thank God for some grease. A tall guy and a rock star.
You know what they say, right?
What do they say, Pipes?
If you don't grease it, the Lord will rust it.
Oh.
Yeah.
If you don't grease it, the Lord will rust it.
That's from the book of John.
From the book of John. So now we just have to, as you can see, that opens up. Pull that open again.
Actually, that was smooth.
Yeah.
Well, it's all greased.
Yeah. Yeah. But you pull that open. So now all we have to do is let it go back down, fellas. Push this in there so it doesn't fall. Pull out the thing, and then boom.
Now we just lift it out. But don't we take these chains off?
Yes. You okay there?
Yeah, we got it all messed up.
Why are you getting all upset? Is it because you're...
Don't be frustrated.
Because you're little? Is it because you're shorter than that?
I like those Milwaukee gloves there, Talon.
They're not heated.
They're not heated. All right. And a heave. Oh, careful, fellas. Oh my gosh. Gee whiz, Pipes. All right, thank you. That thing weighs about 125 to 150 pounds.
Weighs about Talon. Back it up against the fridge.
Boom. All right, now, because I've never done anything for rust prevention, my boy Talon and Pipes, they have some this stuff called fluid film. So I'll show you what that is in a second, and I'll put a link to it down in the description of the video. But we're gonna lift this back up and fluid film all of the steel things. So I'll let you see what that looks like. We don't have to fluid film anything that's aluminum, because the aluminum doesn't rust, obviously. So they're gonna put some fluid film on all of the stuff that you see that's black. And then down here, I guess.
Yep.
On these things.
We'll hit up the joint in the bar a little bit. And
yeah, so check it out. This is the fluid film. I'll put a link to it in the description.
There's a black also.
Regular and black. So this is oh, this is just gonna go on like clear.
Yep.
Like a clear coat.
Yep.
Nice.
Because that way you can still see your grease points and stuff. Because now we know they're there.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. I mean,
you invest in a truck, you got to know what's going on with the stuff, man.
This stuff's impressive. I mean, should we have cleaned like this off? Yeah. Okay.
While Pipes is doing that, I'm gonna get the V-Box out. The Boss VBX 8000. That's the Solter I use. Pipes is over there finishing up the fluid film. So next we will just use Pipes Bobcat to put this into the back of the dump truck. So yeah, I'll check in with you when we get to that. Pipes finished spraying that stuff on. It stinks, but it's on there now. And so we got a little bit more rust prevention under here. Next year I'll probably go get it done professionally. The reason we couldn't open the tailgate was because in here I sprayed some WD-40. We greased the things, we let it sit for a couple minutes, and then we were able to move it and get that thing open. But now the last thing we got to do is Pipes is going to use the MT85 to put the spreader in. I'm going to lower the truck bed down. Check this out. So this is designed, I believe, for like a pickup truck, I think. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I believe this is designed for like a pickup truck, but you can use it in a dump truck. However, my dump truck didn't come with D-rings. So the cool thing was Boss sends you these just in case you don't have them. So maybe that's just in case you have a dump truck and you don't have these already installed. So the guys over there at Steel City Mower and Plow who installed it for me just drilled a couple holes, put these bolts in, and then we've attached these straps diagonally like an X. Like a X. That didn't work. Like an X.
Okay.
Like that X over there. You see that? But you set them up like an X. Pipes first though is gonna bring the B-Cat down, the MT85. I'm gonna tilt the bed a little bit just so we can gently glide this thing in here. We got this thing strapped up here from the front to the back. Pull out the wheel. Yeah, me and Pipes climbing.
Yeah, parkour. Parkour.
Parkour style. You see your boys up on top of the Bob Kizzle.
I should we went to a parkour gym. Oh, jeez, Louise. Tension. Like your house during the holidays. You got all your family in town. Tension. Yep, nice.
All right, now, in order, I just did some more parkour. That's what Pipes just called that. Bold move.
Bold move.
I dropped back 40 years old. I'm trying not to blow out an ACL. You seen the last video. I didn't make it, but I still don't want to blow out the ACL. I'll tell you that right now.
I'm just gonna, yeah, this is the easy part.
Good. Boom. Look, I told you the importance of networking, man. I told you the importance of networking. This is why you gotta have friends, man. I don't have no piece of equipment like that. This thing would have been stuck in this truck last year if not for my man, the Pipes, the 7-foot giant, man. This is why you gotta, this is why we have the compound together. You gotta have friends. Like, we always have the awkward handshakes too. That's why I went to shake his hand and he hit me with the fist pump.
But I got grease on my glove.
That's true. That's true. See, he's always looking out for
I forgot
me.
what I'm allowed to grab. I don't want to break anything.
Oh, that's heavy. We got to get in there, Pipes. The bed is wet, so we should be able to push it. So now you see we got the straps on. They're nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, so we strap X's, boom, front to the back on both sides. We're gonna leave this on for now. We're not gonna put the spreader on. The spreader's back here. Here's the spreader. We don't have to install that now because we don't have a snowstorm at the moment. And I just don't like to have it around just hanging on. It's very easy to take off. If you are familiar with the VBX, they make everything really, really easy for the operator. But it means it's also easy for people to steal if you just leave it out there. So to put that on, you just throw these pins on, connect the power source up here, and then down here, some more electrical stuff we have to connect. But other than that, that's a wrap. Here's the thing. But yeah, that's it. Say thank you to Pipes down in the comments. The VBX is on. We are now snow ready. We got the Boss plow over here. Last thing we need to do before we are absolutely snow ready is do some tests on that. But I got some stuff to do and the trailer is in the way. So me and Pipes, we're out of here. As always, I love you, appreciate you, and wish you nothing but success. And we out. Peace.